Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Uh, First of all, I want to greet you a good morning, and I hope that you are all safe to your houses. At sana kayo ay nasa maayos na kalagayan. Let us now start our rationalization. Our subject for today is comparative police system. So guys, I want you to grab your paper and pen and take note of the answers and other additional information. So guys, let us start with number 1. It is a Roman Latin word which means condition of the state or government. Very basic ang question na ito. So, it is not the police. So, French word, unang ginamit yung police, no? It is a French word. And then, it's not Politia. A Latin word in Politia, which means civil administration. So the correct answer is Politeia. Politeia. The acronym, guys, of the police, famously known as, tandaan nyo, no? Ano yung acronym of the word police? Public Officer for Legal Investigation and Criminal Emergencies. So I want you to remember that, okay? And yung letter B, Politia, that is civil administration. So let us now proceed to number 2. Okay. So number 1 is letter A, guys. Alpha. So good morning sa iyo, Larry. So number 2 na tayo, guys. Early police force that utilize dogs as protectors or guard. Okay, what is the answer? So this is the ancient or traditional police sa Egypt. Sinauna nilang police. Okay? The Pharaoh organized a group of men, okay, to conduct the policing and also to protect the Pharaoh and his family. Okay. In number 2, okay, tama si Dong and Otep. It's not the Praetorian Guards and also not the Vigiles of Rome. So, not the prefects. Prefects is the traditional police in China, okay, Japan, and Korea. So, the answer for this one is letter D, Medjays. So, let us now proceed to number 3. It is a peacekeeping association armed individual during medieval Spain. Okay. So what is the answer? Guys, no, it's not the Praetorian Guards because the Praetorian Guards sa Rome siya, and the primary function of the Praetorian Guard is to protect the emperor and his family. Hindi rin ang Vigiles of Rome or yung tinatawag natin na watchmen of the city. So, the answer for this one is Hermanidades. Okay, or brotherhood. Tinatawag din ito, guys, traditional police ng Spain, Santa Hermanidades or Holy Brotherhood. This is a rural police na-create siya sa province in Castile, Spain. In Castile, Spain. So, I want you to remember that, guys. Okay? Let us now proceed to number 4. Also means watchmen of the city, which had the primary task of firefighting and policing. So, I already explained the choices. So, very obvious na ang sagot dito. Okay. The answer is Vigiles of Rome, or tinatawag nating Vigiles Urbani, watchmen of the city. Okay. This police force was established by Emperor Augustus Caesar. So, merong argumento rito regarding sa tanong na kauna-unahang police force na na-establish. Dati tinanong. So the choices are the Bow Street Runners of Henry Fielding, letter A. Letter B, yung Philadelphia. Letter C, itong Vigiles Urbani. And letter D, yung our very own Carabineros de Seguridad. Okay. So, may sumagot ng Bow Street Runner. But the answer is Vigiles. Okay. So, Vigiles established na siya mas matagal before na-establish itong mga police force na ito. Okay. So, aside from that, the Vigiles of Rome or yung Vigiles Urbani, you can correlate it to your CDI sa fire technology sa history. They are the first kauna-unahang grupo na may firefighting function or firefighter. Okay? So, that is Vigiles Urbani. So, the answer for number 4 is letter B. Okay, guys? Let us now proceed to number 5. Okay. It is a special force of guards used by Roman emperors as the emperor's personal guards. Okay. So, similar siya sa ating PSG, Presidential Security Group. So, na pumaprotekta sa ating presidente. So, the answer is Alpha, Praetorian Guards. Kaya nga doon sa mga movie like Gladiator, if you notice yung part doon na pupugutan ng ulo si Russell Crowe, okay, then nakatakas siya, then magsasalubong sila nung isa. Tinawag niya Praetorians. Okay? Kasi ang Praetorians ang nagpoprotekta sa Emperor of Rome. So, remember it.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or, you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!